Despite the giant shadow that has loomed over 2020, an undeniable beacon of light now brightens the evening skies just north of downtown Wilmington. On Friday, Salesianum and the City of Wilmington officially opened Abessinio Stadium. Local and state officials joined Friday night's opening celebrations alongside class of 1959 alum Rocco Abessinio, whose $16 million donation made the stadium project possible. The 4,000-seat, $25 million state-of-the-art facility replaces the 100-year-old complex formerly known as Baynard Stadium. First proposed over 4 years ago, the dream for this new stadium in historic Brandywine Park met some resistance that halted progress for nearly 20 months. Outgoing Salesianum President Brendan Keneally says, "This stadium is a shining example of what can happen when we look to potential where there seemingly is none, when institutions invest in their communities." Although the 50-yard line on the new turf field bears a large S for Salesianum, the unique public-private partnership with the City of Wilmington ensures that Abessinio Stadium will also be home to many local school and community athletic groups, as well as the general public, for many generations to come. Reporting from Wilmington, I'm Mikaelyn Austin, 22 News.